President Emmerson Mnangagwa has declared the fire that damaged the Glenview Area 8 complex on Sunday morning a state of disaster. Sabina mashoko buda pangwa ino mtungamiri wenyika au achideclare aiwa a state of disaster chitiko chakaitika ku Glenview. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida mnamubda nyuko mchinzi. Such a declaration extends beyond public health concerns and is aimed at addressing emergencies including natural disasters, explosions, acts of terrorism, or sieges. Approximately 25% of the furniture manufacturing hub was destroyed in the blaze, leaving around 700 traders counting their losses. The exact cause of the fire is yet to be confirmed, though it is suspected that an unattended brazier or an illegal electricity connection may have been responsible. Speaking at a press briefing on Monday night, Local Government and Public Works Minister Daniel Garwe said, "I am pleased to inform the nation that His Excellency President has declared this inferno at Glenview Area 8 a state of disaster. Once the President has declared a state of disaster, the Department of Civil Protection under the Ministry of Local Government will move in and mobilize resources and assist those that are affected. We are now working with the city of Harare, we are working with the Ministry of Women Affairs, we are working with the affected traders so that we have got a comprehensive list of those that are affected so that we come up with a way of assisting them since the President has already declared a state of disaster." Garwe added that a contractor is set to begin work in September, with construction expected to be completed between March and April next year. Earlier on Monday, Garwe visited the scene of the fire and estimated that losses from the blaze ranged between $2 million and $3 million. He said, "The new Glenview complex, including areas that were not affected, we have improved road infrastructure and water reticulation, food courts, and proper fire safety systems." Garwe also called for the compilation of an accurate list of affected traders to enable targeted assistance through the Department of Civil Protection. Ndochitiko awachoitika ku Glenview. Pinakomeze kuchemeduza mafunguro enyu mutukudipa msoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.